1414 West Main. This one's coming to a close. We are so close to being done with this. Go ahead in here and show you the most recent updates and what we got left. First thing, heat pump, brand new. This heats and cools the whole lower level, and we're actually putting another unit in upstairs. So you got 2 units here. It's a pretty big house, and the upstairs did not have any duct work, vent work, or heating capacity. So super efficient house with 2 units in here. They painted the outside of it, new roof on. We'll landscape it a little bit, and it'll look pretty out here for springtime, but it might sell before then. So as you come in, you see hardwood floors everywhere. Uncovered these early on. These are in good shape. These will get refinished. That'll be the last thing that gets done. This living room, man, this came together. So got your little accent wall, fireplace, running power up here so that you can get your smart TV up there. We turned this little room here, which was just a little bonus room. They enclosed the porch, I'm sure. Turned it into a little office. Okay, so you got your laminate vinyl plank down. It had the paneling. We just left that alone. Just a little bonus room right here. The rest of the house is really where we've been focused on, and it's coming along awesome. So in here, this was the biggest change we made. French doors. This was a dining room. It was a big dining room. So it was a 2-bed, 1-bath, and it was all upstairs. We converted it to a 3-2. So the dining room becomes the master bedroom. This wall was open. It went into the kitchen. So we enclosed it to make this a bedroom. The French doors are going in, right off the living room. Hardwoods in here. Then into here, we had a sunroom. Well, instead of having a sunroom, because we've got a back porch that's already enclosed as well, turn this into a master closet. We'll block this off a little bit. We'll have a nice closet system in here, probably a little like center island for your shoes. This was going to be a powder area for the lady, for the wife. This was all windows down through here. We took 3 windows out. We left 1 window, so it'll bring some natural light in for the powder area. So this is going to be a nice master closet right here. I'm thinking possibly cutting a door in here, because as we go on the other side, you'll see there's a full bath on the other side of it. So we're still tossing some ideas around, but this came together nice. Look how big this closet is. I mean, 6 feet wide by the length of the bedroom. So we had to cut this hole through the wall, uncovered some nice wiring, but got it all fixed and taken care of. And this is coming together really nice. The ceilings are super high. Feels very spacey in here. So you got a big main level. All right, and this is where the real show starts. This kitchen, super outdated, but you know how we like to do our kitchens. Do them up real nice. Tile floor. This, remember, opened up into the former dining room, and now it's a wall full of cabinets. So you got a little coffee bar area right here. It's your soft close. Love these cabinets. Got the crown molding around the top. This kitchen came together really nice. So I am happy with this. Look how many cabinets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got like 14 uppers in here. 1, 2, 3, 10 drawers. I mean, this kitchen is, man, this came out good. Really like the way this came out. Okay, now I see what they've done though. They moved the laundry here. Okay, this is a better idea than, I like this a lot better. I was thinking about cutting a hole in the wall right here for the closet, but what they did is relocated the plumbing for the washer and dryer, because the washer and dryer was in here. So this was a laundry room with a sink and a toilet. Now we've replaced the laundry room, the shower, still got the toilet, got the sink, so you got a full bathroom down here. All right, little corner shower, didn't have a ton of space, so couldn't do our normal, you know, big shower or whatnot, but this is great for downstairs. You've got a bathroom on the main floor. It's off of your kitchen. This is gonna be a good entertainment house. Lots of space. You can have your family over here. Very spacey. And then you got your laundry right here on the first floor. People like that. Back deck right here, it's enclosed. We're not gonna go out there. I'm gonna run upstairs real quick and show you what's going on up there. That's the other 2 bedrooms and bathroom. They had hardwoods, but it was a little chopped up. I suspect these are going to be kids' rooms, so we're going with carpet upstairs, but the stairs itself, they will get refinished. I'll show you the light switch here. The light right here. You can see the hardwoods, they're a little bit rougher up here. We might actually, okay, so they already got the carpet in, so we'll probably LVT. We'll try to refinish those. We'll see what happens. Big bedroom. And these were laid out kind of weird. But you got a bedroom here, you got a big closet, but it almost feels like another bedroom because it is so big. And you've got another closet right here. So this is a weird kind of room, but we didn't want to rip walls up here. So you've almost got a little play area back here. New ductwork. We had to cut this in very specifically because, you know, a lot of this stuff was attic space at one point. So we did a nice finish on the ductwork and ran new heating and cooling up here because there was no heating and cooling up here. They had window units and it was all, you know, downstairs heated and cooled off the main heat pump. Bigger bedroom over here. Again, they cut into the attic at some point. So it's got the slope, but that's why these are great little, you know, kids' rooms. New ducts coming in for heat and air. And then you've got another closet over here for this room. So, nicely laid out house. This place had great bones. It was very old, family-owned house, but it's coming together super, super nice. Now they're doing the bathroom up here. Tub was in good shape. Well, that fan's on, but it's okay. They put a new fan in. Got the vanity in. Top coming in next. Vinyl tile, so this is waterproof. It looks the same as downstairs. It's vinyl tile, and then downstairs is actual tile. So this is going to be your bathroom where you got your actual bathtub for your kids. Pop in there. Got the surroundings in good shape. Paint, new fixtures, new floors, new vanity, closet. I'm wondering what they did in there. They'll update this a little bit. Get the wallpaper out, put new shelving in. It's one of the last little finishing touches. So we're still got a little work to go, a couple more weeks. This here, this is probably coming out. I still have to talk to our contractor on what exactly we're doing, but we thought about taking this out and building this into like a little nook, like a little study area. A little office area, kids, you know, could put a little desk up here. It could be the little study area. This is where I wanted to move the laundry room. It's a little dark in here, there's no light, but what ended up happening is we brought in the furnace unit up here. So this turned in front, this is going to be you know, a little library, bookshelves in here. We'll update these a little bit, but we wanted to get a good heat and air. So this is a brand new system, both brand new systems, brand new roof. You got new plumbing in here, a lot of new electrical. All the mechanicals are up to code, updated, upgraded, and that's what we like to do when we come into these older houses. They've been lived in, you know, a lot of older things going on, you know, families working on and whatnot. It's our job to come in and make them safe, sound, secure, and get the big ticket items out of the way. But there's enough money in the tank here to do very nice kitchens, bathrooms. This place is turning out great. I am happy about it. Can't wait to get to the finish line. 2-3 weeks out to be ready in January. So if you're looking for a new home, we're in Milton. If you're looking for a new house out here, right on Main Street, the Venetian's right down the road. Great house, all the updates you need, and we're going to sell this one. So this will not be a rental. It will be for sale. It'll go on the market. If you're interested in this house now, before we put it on the market, you know how the market is right now. Everything's going quick. I would suggest reaching out to us. Go to our website, buildingappalachia.com. Go to properties, homes for sale. This one is right there at the top. Get a hold of us if you're looking for a house in Milton.